How much do blogs make? I have been managing my blog for 5 years, making over $3,000 per month. It has gone through different phases and we'll uncover each phase and explain earnings and facts as we go. The first phase, I like to call it the no money making phase. This is the beginning where you start your website and create content. Depending on your content creation speed, this phase can take up to a year, but you can reduce this time by creating more content. When you have about 30 or 40 articles and you are getting a few daily visits, you have two options: ads and affiliate links. On blog sites, ads are the easiest way to make money. In terms of ads, you only have the AdSense option. You can try Ezoic, which pays a bit more than AdSense. In terms of affiliates, you can search for programs in your industry. Some have requirements, so you will have to qualify to apply. At the start of 2019, I was in the AdSense program. In February 2020, the website made $27, which resulted in 2.77 RPM. RPM means how much money the website makes per 1,000 visits. Now your RPM will be completely different because three significant factors define a website's RPM. One is where your visitors are coming from. Countries such as the US, Canada, and the UK have decent RPM. What is your website's topic? I'm in the software and apps industry, so it's considered in the middle. Lastly, the time of the year. In most industries, advertisers pay more in the holiday season, so we see higher RPM in March, July, October, November, and December. Your ad earnings will be defined by those three factors. Now, when it comes to money, AdSense isn't feasible. But as a beginner, you don't have many options. Now you might be thinking this is not worth it. And yes, in the beginning, it's not. But let me tell you that your earnings drastically change when you have 50,000 or more monthly visits. We'll talk about that shortly. Anyway, my website made money from AdSense for the whole year of 2019 and 2020 and some money by promoting products. As the traffic went up, my earnings went up. I made $284 from AdSense in October 2020. In 2021, I also tried Ezoic for 5 months. My RPM increased by around $2. They paid more money, but some issues forced me to return to AdSense. At that point, I was getting between 30,000 and 50,000 visits per month. At this point, another money-making method unlocks. It's called sponsorships. Basically, companies find your website on the internet and contact you to promote their products. And in exchange, they pay you money. Depending on your traffic, you can expect from $50 to $500 per promotion. So at this point, you are making money from AdSense, affiliate links, and maybe from sponsorships. Combined all, you can expect between $10 and $20 RPM. However, what happens after that is amazing because once you get 50,000 monthly sessions, you can apply for Mediavine. Mediavine is one of the giant ad companies that improve your RPM massively. Look at my website. I was doing $8 RPM on AdSense in 2021 and Mediavine took my RPM to over $30 in a matter of days. This is where things turn because if you get into one of those programs, you can expect to make over $40 per 1,000 visits. So if your website gets 2,000 daily visits, you will make over $80 daily. The problem, however, is that it's not easy to get 50,000 monthly visits. You must keep adding new content and updating the old content to get more visitors. Alright, with all that, there's one more way to make money, which more comes in the black hat methods. This is against Google's policies, so I don't recommend doing that. However, many blog sites from small to large do that to make additional income. It's called guest posting. Other website owners will send you messages to write on your website and link to their website and pay you for it. On average, websites charge from $30 to up to $500 per guest post depending on their age, traffic, and domain rating. You can make money with guest posts, but it's like walking on thin ice. If you are not careful, you can fall into Google's chamber, and it's hard to recover from that fall. So in total, we discovered 3 ways to make money. Even if you just have ads and affiliate links, you can expect to make over $30 per 1,000 visits. Considering that most traffic is from those 4 countries, you are in Mediavine or AdThrive and you are in a good industry. There are some other money-making ways such as selling an ad space, creating a digital product, and offering premium content, but those are beneficial when you have thousands of visitors daily. Anyway, this is it for this video. Blogging is just one of the ways to make money online. Check this video next to find other money-making ways. I'll catch you later. Take care.